This Akobe Wisin, Akobe here, Egiato, may you live long. Now it be Egiato, and that one mean Egiato. You know what it mean? No go at all. But you call the deep hand because you know if you talk, say, since when they born you, say you know they sing another musician, music. Akobegan, you feel swear down for my place. You know if it. Then you know if you talk, say yes. You with musician never correct. You know if you talk, say yes. Since when you start all this with the noise when they make noise maker, say you never abuse your senior or you see your senior for road, you don't greet them. If you don't respect senior, may I tell you one thing. When Akabama do live on stage that day, you know they there. And then Akabama bring you up. Akabama I bring you up. Ogwamagbe I bring you up. All these people they stand for you, make them see your lights. But because your lights don't shine small, now small shine oh, because you go America, waiting there America. Now Europe be, now so America be. Waiting there London, as London be, now so yes still be, all now Europe. So I don't know waiting can do your body when you come to say yes, you are the Alpha of Omega. Say now you be the best musician in Edo State. My brother, you never reach 1/4 of Nwamagbe, Abasa Nwamagbe. Even you know say all these boys, they don't beat you for stage. Now make you want to bring them down. You know if you bring them down, as you bring that thing come out, take swear. Take swear for your body, because not be those children you swear for. Take swear for your body. Now so we all, the better people, the good people of Edo State. People will want all the children, make them better. People will still want everybody in Edo State, make them see their life. And so we take stand put. You know if they do secret thing, it good say the children not follow you. They don't follow your step. Why? Ukeke follow your step. You with Ukeke now be best of friends. This man will say they follow Ukeke, better they call him. Be something like that. Three of now be the good artist, but Ukeke come better passion for the artist. Then Eda will give better passion for the artist. Wait, who know what you do then? How you take play your game self? Ukeke today not dey live. This man today not dey live. Both of them they shoot them. When Ukeke get that jeep, you feel sure say you know if Ukeke one day. Who know what he can enter inside court? Where they just kill this man, where they just kill two of them. You be tortoise. Akobega, you be tortoise. Everybody, they don't know you. You be tortoise. Now you go see the family where Ukeke go carry Tamoto. You will talk this one say, what you Ukeke do now? It's not good. If person do that kind of thing to me, I feel kill him. Then are you consider Ukeke say yes, Ukeke? This motto, your woman try for you. This side. All this your in-law way just they disturb you now. You know beat them, you know do them something. Now make that one respect. Say the papa they call him. He still tell you say you bring your car, make you follow me go there. We don't know what you they find. They don't know the papa they come in. You don't know everything. That make you tell say, yes, person just call me. You wrong. The swear when they swear for Benin, you don't go back on. Because I know now, say yes, any swear when they swear, now go take the sound of Benin, go that place. Now go stand for the rock. Now the bath. Make things not they happen to now. But me I tell you now secret now today go open. You there among when you push them ukeke and Era Oji, you push them to the high master because you know say when they do that drama, ukeke 100% beat you. Anywhere where ukeke day, all the Edo people will stand. Ukeke first rain pass you. Era Oji first rain pass you. But today wait them. So these children, Stanley, original one, I tell you, and the other boy, from today, if anything do them, may I ask Akobegian, a missing a gato. If the high person, if the push person, if they don't die, now you go first go sing, come out, say, oh, Imam not bad, a Stanley woo. Stanley no go die. He no go die one day. He no go die 2 days. Stanley must live long. Stanley must live long till 150, 100. I'm not with God. And the small boy must live long. All those musicians when they trouble, when they use jazz, then they bring their star down. They go better pass you in Jesus' name. You hear? Now let you be native doctor. Now let you be musician. Now let you be pastor. Now let you be drama. Then now let you be abroad career. No woman baby they go abroad before. I don't know what you do. Before you start abroad, no woman we don't start. Baba Osamore don't start. But your own, it can't be like say you want to destroy the musician. You want to bring their level down. You know go fit. You hear? All this cheer now. See what you do yesterday. You want to see cause. You dey cause everybody wey dey abroad. Say person wey no hear your mouth. Who want hear your mouth? Who want listen to that your dirty mouth? We no cast you abane. Robert Tapa. You will face the passion something from dustbin. Because God constantly hear you, hear your name, bring you out from dirtiness. Keep the way see they come, make God still bring them come out from dirtiness. You want to bring them down. You say, make they come and give you offering. Go. No salova you wanna. Now God give you music. Now only you be musician for this world. Akobegian. You not see fear. Abasa the woman make call you. Make he ask you, say yes. My brother, what did they happen? Why you go swear for these children? Then you want to lie get this man. Because all the swear wey they swear, I know we're not the bath. Make I talk I go talk am. I know we're not the bath. Try me for night, now you go die. If you want me to enjoy your children, may you enjoy property when you get. Try me, you go die. You go die. People will try me for say, go ask them, they die. People will try me for Ikobazowa, go ask them, they die. I know they fear. Now be say I dey here. Say I know they sleep. I dey sleep 24 hours. If I don't sleep, that means now these guys disturb me. Say, Daddy, I beg, see person will carry me come. Daddy, see person will carry me come. That's why they help all of them. Akobegian, no we see Akobegian. You remember once at a time. You remember once at a time. When your life won't bend. When your life bend, nobody say one bend, bend. Anywhere you go, you see as it be. Now this man, who quote 1 million, Now both of them, may they live long in Jesus. Ukwa, God will bless you. Oduekene, God will bless you. God will bless you. Why they pray for now? Why they pray for now? If not be now, who be missing Ojato? Who know we see for Bini? Now then, she said this small boy they suffer. He go put that something for neck like ambalis. Now those one come talk and say this thing don't fit you. He can't sing. Who where those people get money? Where they get money? No. But he goes, who 1 million? Now then you can't rise. They can't bring you from that dirtiness. So as you still be now, you don't build house. You get hotel. Two people wet. Why you not go let your children when they come? You say they know they greet you. Even though they give you that slap or they insult you, they push spit for your body. You will say, may they not play their music. May they not play your music. Who be you? Who be you? I come again. Your life history, it's in my hand. When I sleep, I say, now only you, your wife, when you first marry, do fornication. Who still do one? Because you dey fuck other person's wife. I come again now. Now 6 women with their housewife. Now you don't fuck. If you want swear, go Paris, go swear. 6 women with their housewife. Now you don't fuck. And then well known. Their husband is well rich. If you want me, I talk to them, I go talk to her. And those men go pursue you enter grave. Don't let me destroy you. Don't let me destroy you. I come again. Men, when they know for benicity, you go corner, go they fuck their wife. You know what you do. You office where go, you know say, if they talk to you now, what you want to do? Ayelala. Go carry ayelala. You go swear, put say, if I don't fuck woman with their housewife, make this ayelala kill you. If you never do it, make it kill me. Whether you go reach January. I just keep quiet. You know the kind of person where I be. When you see me for prison, how you take on me? Say, hey, you lot of Bobizwa. When you see me for my dance, why you take on me? Because you know the kind of person where I be. I know they talk anyhow. I give you this warning. I give you this warning. Ambassador Wamagbe no be your mate. No be your rank. And they no be your enemy. If you swear to them, return back, go beggar. And those children, when you use that asset, take sweat, say their children, I want to return out to you. Your children, God will bless them. Your children, God will bless them. Every children, where Benin people, Nigeria people born, God will bless all of them. But that's where, now you, if you don't go beg them, those children, why did they cry? Why they go like video yesterday, go they cry? Why? Because you they give the impression. You be want to make them okay. Like the way you do, what do they call them? My rest in peace, Ukeke. Now you be the plan now, because you get small boys where they work for you. Ukeke don't die. He leave the program for you, may you carry. The musician where Ukeke be enter, you don't carry. These children, for the rest of their life, they day your hands. May you know, Stalin. How many times I call you? Stalin! You will live live long in Jesus' name. And your brother, you will now go live long. Anybody where Akobegi want use that thing, where you they carry they go. If our Oba Benin use that for you, if our Oba Benin use that for your generation, for your family, that thing where you carry, now you go work for those people. If Oba Benin don't use that for you, we see the indicator. You say you want to disgrace our kingdom. You want to bring our kingdom down. Say you know they respect our king anymore because you go pray for palace. Now make you carry that Asisumayo put for pocket. Oba Benin never try. Say you go carry something like that. Take swear for the children of Benin. Lalai. Why make you try that thing? Akobegi. If you don't respect our king, that means you don't have respect for all the children in Edo State. Likewise, what you did yesterday. You insulted the people in Europe. You insulted the people in abroad because you don't have regard for anybody. You don't have regard for them anymore because they patronize you. Even Destiny Dance, look at the way you were talking to people. If you know say you just pray, leave that dance. If you know say you just pray, get out from the dance. Is that a good manner? Is that the way they brought you up? Akobegi. And the small madam, when you come out yesterday, where they will use rope to tie that one. You they still they talk and you still get them from mouth. Wait a minute, I don't want to call that your name because that's your name. Na curse. That's your name na curse. Small madam when they talked yesterday, he said the kids they know they respect. You get manner of approach. You know what to be respect. You will not respect your mama. Even the husband where you born for, because of the respect where you don't get, and that boy sponsored you. The boy de Libya, he organize guests for you for Europe here. You be Africa. He organize guests for you for here. What you use and do before the man come, you begin to fuck everybody. All those small rats when they follow you to go, all of them don't see your toto. They say your toto na salt. Now make you they talk sometimes. You go say, hey, you go open your body. Hey, because now salt, that salt is throw away for your pants. Your life, waiting to repair your life. If they don't give you one room for proof, you just carry that your anywhere they go. If you want to go make love, if you want to go suckle, if you want to do something for prostitution household, you must carry that your useless bear. You still did there yesterday. Hey, stop that! I just look and say, "Aye." You see the sharp for that. Those people will see they look at. It comes to the talk. Aye. Ojagbisa. Imagine the group who are fair by. Saloba no change you already. I know what they happen. Anywhere we cost day, anywhere we bad thing day. Now our people want join. Say today now, if I talk about this human trafficking, you know what this now does 70. Because I they talk about people when they decide bad thing for Benin, all of them want see, all of them want hear. Make I tell you now, not be so life supposed to be. Make now the reason myself before not do anything. Even though now they cost myself or not cost myself, person no say this person if they do wrong thing. Yeah, I first ask my question. Person tell me say yes. He call my mama. My mama talk to him. Say make they kill me. Why I not hear that person's voice for inside? If I dey talk to Akobegi now, I must talk. If I dey talk to Olita now, I must talk. The radio, my voice must dey. Why this smally? He said, don't dance him. It give that man heavy stain. Make I tell you, we get group. You no fear. You gonna use your mind. If na person dey sponsor you, say make you insult those people. Me I tell you, they better pass you. They get husband, their children, they with them. And you know they see them for proof. They know they go from one proof to the other. You go there kitchen today, you go paralyze. You go there one room where they give you, when they make love, you go paralyze. How you tell they paralyze? Hey, buzzer! And then you don't get any topic. No government recognize you. Nobody recognize you except you want to make problem. My own, this program, how about talk to him? He said, you don't recognize him. A do reality talk show. If you go Benin City now, go to Oba Palace. Ask and say, you delude this program, prostitution must stop, human trafficking must stop. You will say, yes, I don't hear that. And then what do they call it, Murphy? That's boy, or you know, this try. Go to governor, come on, governor. I don't say come on, governor, I talk by it. Our governor of the people, governor that want to transfer the Edo state to abroad. Go answer. He will say, human trafficking, you know, just put them for danger. You know, put them for dowry. But when social media president start up, the reality talk show, and then they catch them, if they bring them out, now they can talk, say, yes, human trafficking must stop, not true. You know, sir? At the Central now, if you go to Benin City, many musicians, if you ask them, they go say, no, I don't be Central, who bring them? So everything where they bring, it don't the rain. Nothing will feel bring me down. You hear? And now so I don't see help many people. Not because come public, come they insult people. Now because of when Akobega not be me play music about 2 weeks ago, before my naming ceremony of my baby, not be me play now. When he used their destiny, about what everybody they sing. But what did this small boy can't do? What he can't do now is not the right thing. Anybody who is sad down, now blind person. If you be woman, you sad down, you be blind. Because if now your son say now be Stalin, we do that one. Now that boy take that son to take the sweat put, you for the yard pass that one. You say or even why you see one, why they can't like Copenhagen and I say check what we may. Wait because I Copenhagen we're gonna insult my son. But if I Copenhagen or go Canada go Paris, that's how you go talk. I know how my body they pay now. Women. Now go see better thing. I will see better thing. Now go see the right thing. But now I want put dust. It's not good for them. It's not good for them. Now so now go see now something open for them. Now go see something take over now. Now make some women for Libya now. They say their womb go fall down. After they don't use let themselves. Also with here. And they tell them, say, me not stop this trafficking. Me not stop this prostitution. No one die. Add the Murphy this, add Murphy that, add Murphy that. Me not got the talk and they go. I don't care. Even though the bad wish for this world, me not go give them. They don't fit do me anything. Why? I dey fight for all of them. May God bless our children. Make our children better pass us in Jesus' name. You, small madam, your children, their house, where you born, 2 of them. Now old mama where you born, you now they feed them. The prostitution where you say they do now from Aachen to Cologne. Because you know say if you come for Holland, I don't know what thing goes strong to you. Maybe your life don't go better. So you go from Aachen to Cologne. Person will be your friend, into one. You don't stick brick and come out, come the full because he can't eat for your house. he still pay me. It will a fine woman like that. You just stand up because they join you that time. You just stand up, go Stainless house, go to fool yourself. My sister, Stainless. I call her Stainless. Dirty Stainless. Small madam Stainless. No be better person. You know this. May God forgive you. He said, me join group. She said, me join group. I join group. I go fuck this one, I go fuck this one. Small madam, trafficker. If me, they cripple for down. Say my eyes blind. Now only you remain for this world. If I make love to you, I will come, all my sickness will go. I will say make I die. I will say make I just die. Now make that man just, they make love to you. You know what? It's just they make love to you because of say he want get children. Don't be say love you. You wear your papa disown. Now your mama tell me. Your papa disown you. Your papa disowned you before he died. Your papa was a native doctor. He looked your call before. Now so insult. Now you insult your papa. You want to come public now, they tell the world, say yes. Those children don't get character. They don't respect themselves. They don't respect Akobega. Who be Akobega? Where person want respect? Akobega where be senior, he don't respect himself. The children never see and finish. Percy, you be senior man. You dey play music. Don't be saying you call these children ahead. My children are just a chopper. And those boys still they respect you. A pa, who be a pa? Who be a pa? Where I see? I come again. We're falling behind. Who be a pa? Who be a come again when I go say a pa? The food where destiny eats, then they give a Kobega. The food where Ukwa eats remain, then they give a Kobega. The food where, I mention all of them. The food where all these boys eat finish, then they give up. The food where I eat finish, now I give you. As far as I don't carry you for my dance. Hey, yeah, I put my cap. Small madam, you say person don't get manner. You know the respect. You go your live video for your proof. Proof as where they give you. What do they do? You say, Eddie Murphy, I senior you, first and foremost. Even person where is senior you, maybe I go still senior now. Maybe you're senior, but I go still senior now. I don't know. If you dey insult your senior brother, that means you insult me. And then me, we don't do the same house. We don't do the same area. I never mention you for my live video. If I want to mention your name, I'll say, this. But you will get that your smelly toto, short toto, when you carry the go. Dirty toto. Fuck me. You they use and say, Eddie Murphy. And then you see the talk my mama name. You say my mama disown me. Even though my mama disown me. Now your mama. You don't get mama. You don't get mama. Why you not go call your mama? May you still they call your mama. Leave my mama alone. You know go. My mama no fit talk to a person like you. If you talk to a person like I'll disown my mama for life. I said, even though she spent 150 years, I'll say, Mommy, you know be my mama. You know be my mama again. My mama will talk to you, dirty woman like you. But for you, I don't talk to your mama. Your mama they beg me, say, Papa, I play the music worldwide. Say, Papa, la wo. When I send them jealous and pride to your mama, say me they go one out. Now they come tell me, say, your mama, they sponsor, if they bring sponsor guys come meet you for abroad. Now make that body they pay you. I don't give you time. If you don't stop them, your mama will die prison. I don't talk am. Your mama house, they don't show us today. Our police don't back am. Now me tell they say, stop. I want to warn you. If you don't take time, you go hear say your mama will call you for inside prison. Those girls when they bring you, wait till they walk, you go bring all of them out. You go not say yes. I dey fight trafficking. Don't be threatened. Even though you want to put police there, police not pass. I go call the commissioner. Now so they go take your mama, go put for sale. Make it go smell shit for 1 month or 2 weeks before we will release them. Human trafficker people. But your man never do me anything. But I don't tell them, make they go tell them today. Make them warn them. Any guess at all. Make she know the big can't give you for abroad. Because they say your man will go use gas swear for unwo. Use gas swear for unwo. You don't carry many gas. It dey European. Now it make you to say, no, nobody can stop human trafficking. Because you get gas. Rats. Small madam. You be small madam. Well, your own. You don't reach up. The up where you did, you want fall down. Like shit where they go inside toilets. Any insult where you throw to social media president, Eddie Murphy, now the best way senior you, now you the insult, not be me. I senior you, your mama senior me, your papa senior me. I know if you stand up now and say, yes, I'll insult your mama or insult your papa because I know they senior me. Your life don't bend. People, they call you crazy woman for abroad. And the people when you see the insult, they better pass you. If not be because of this prostitution where you they do now, where imbecile go make love to you, lizard go make love to you, bear go make love to you, dog go still make love to you to get 1,000 euro. If you get her, you come like, hey, Eddie Murphy, come on 1,000, you not fit get. Then you go give them. If you don't go die tomorrow, they never celebrate your burial. Why you don't just call my family, that my cousin, say, yes, Eddie Murphy, they own my 1,000, men I take. Put them for live video. Then me first come here and say, thank you, my sister. But tomorrow, they'll see your burial. They'll say, small madam don't die for inside house. You will me send 50 euro. 50 euro, you collect them. Now you want to pay 1,000. Ojagbo eh. Abasa no Wamagbe CEO. Abasa no Wamagbe. God will bless you. As you get that endurance, as you get that mind, take cola. The akobenemofe, akoboya, akobundan. As you take cola, say akobenya. Why be say you do this? Then it go reply you with bad words. Now that bad word will follow up. Till die, akobenya. Till you die, that bad word will jump upon you. The man who is saying such Abasa no Gomagbe. Now that man will bend you. Now he will bend you for the rest of your life. You still go court today. I don't know what you go to for court. You said yes, just beginning. You still hear that agbada. Agbada no kwayo mukenwe. Oda do keme no jamu kenwe. Oda ne destiny jamu kenwe. Apa you install a general of the jamu. You still be agbada. Go there. Like better person. You know they fear your mates. senior. Because destiny don't do you well. Because Ambassador Uwadia don't do you well. Now the food when they eat remain, when they be one give dog, now you they eat. The food when they be one give dog, now you they eat. Akobenya, you are a disgrace to all Europe people. You are a disgrace. For you coming to stage yesterday, insult all the you say now deportation. Now they go carry you down. Not be my people with their blood. Nobody go face deportation in abroad in Jesus' name. Person will use leg. Person will fly, pay heavy money. You were them destiny still help enter abroad yesterday. Them papa wala still help yesterday. Now you can't get mad. Then they talk to people when they suffer, when they work hard, work heavily for abroad. You can't use that to match where they never wash. If they look at, if they see your teeth, but the yam when they eat for 1 year ago, still there. I come back here. Some rice we don't roti, it's there inside. You where they used to stick yesterday. Even when you go abroad, you go Spain, now to stick, now I see where they use. I come back here. Uwe mo bima uwe akobega uwe mo bag bottle uwe mo bima bottle la don we sisi maje na atie e no make asu be de o make asu be to de e ka mo ba e ka me do we wa ya kobega e mi asu na me do ma ni ba akobega na ya susu majo ona ka tie ni de do akobega o fenode o mo na ki gwere igwe ni kekese igwe na yo kwese akobenya uwe doyo udoyo e ma no pobolu e ya doyo ama ese woriyan e gbe ara ni gbo me ni joko kada me ni joko kayin e gbe ara ni gbe wa di ene to pa e gbe na and I get big. I got big. In January, though, I got Sulele. I'm again now. Who wants a musician? You just call your musician. Say yes. Now they greet me for that and they play my music. Now they play my music. Because of them, not plan again, make them die. Make their single song. Make it turn to invest. For swearing that Oba supposed to drive for that benicity. Ask me my who. Ask me my who do. And no make a suit the to give una. One na kobega, who will know me? The one way you. Akobega. Agmonwe, wa me no han aye. If you do not really move. If I don't tell born away boy after everybody when you suffer abroad. If you don't go apologize, if any abroad people carry you, now they know. I don't go cause them, but now they know. Now they receive that cause. That insult when you insult all those men, all those people when they are abroad. If you know say you don't buy visa, you don't use your leg to enter abroad. Then I come back and say them deport all of now. And your family go carry I come back for Benin. You go there happy. That cost now your head day. Except I come back and still go outside where you swear. Where you swear that you go say no be swear I tell swear that. Everybody went there who talk am who no talk am God go bless you now. Nothing go happen. That is the respect is supposed to have for we the people that travel abroad. It's not easy. You when they use this after they come. You never work here one day. Maybe you go no house with they say they suffer. Maybe you go work for company. small madam, not sit down, it's not sit down. It says Stanley. See person wey see the talk. If Stanley shit for ground, say less na you go dey eat am. Stanley shit for ground, na you go eat am, say less. The shit wey Stanley shit, na you go eat am. You say make Stanley go beg am. For you to tell the truth, say yes. Go beg am. You supposed not to swear like that. Even though you don't touch, you don't use your hand, go pocket, bring something come out. They talk nonsense. Just tell the children, say, I beg, may they forgive me. May they forgive. You this journal yesterday, they parabolate, they short to toe where they carry the go. It be a gadan. I wanna beg you again, but when now, why I say who's abada? And when I'm going to be again, what did you know about when you're HIV near Munwe, Celeste, no way, Queen, HIV near Munwe, the Libya, or Dwaga, what the white people, I beg. He get one small guy, not get the picture yet. One smallie. If they bring guests, come abroad, she's there for Holland. He said, "I'm name Celeste Onene, Celeste Igbewa, Celeste Ilima, Celeste never respect Nera, never respect Niger, Nera pay your money." Okay. HIV when they give up for Libya. When they come, there's no sex with that girl, no sex. There's no fuck with that girl, no fuck. He fought dog for Libya. He fought Zimbabwe, he fought Carabo, he fought Libya, he fought Ghana, he fought everybody. Because the papa don't get, the mama don't get. For it just to enter, he dey fuck everybody they go. Now, where you get the money? Now Libya, he also pass also where that small madam also when he comes to enter Libya. He can't enter Italy. From Italy now, he go chop Adiro say he be crazy person. Now crazy person now he take chop Adiro for Holland. Say she the crazy. Now they give them that paper. As they give her that paper now, that crazy said he don't enter his body. Now make her as they spoke Morocco, do everything. Government come, the neighbor comes and say yes. The daughter just dey cry for inside. Mother, where your mother? You know the house. You don't dey fuck dog for prostitution house. Now make they carry that girl. Go drop on for Aduro. Go drop on for hand. God will bless that girl. He go better pass you. God will make that your daughter, that your 3 daughters, that your 3 children when you born, they go better pass you in Jesus' name. Because your life don't frustrate. Your life don't condemn. Who wants to tell us go say, tell us thank you for what you do. Say you dey fight, you dey cost me. Tell us you dey insult everybody. Who wants to clap for you? Except person wey still dey do prostitution like you. Now they clap follow you. Supposing me stand up say yes, prostitution must work. No trafficking must do this. Make them pay 30,000. I know say yes, the whole world. The whole world for them my house. But use this side and say yes, there's something like that. Maybe they pay their mama, maybe they pay their papa, maybe they pay their mother. Your life is still be like worst. Now your toto, now you treated the feet. Your toto, now you treated the feet. Children, men and some person go. Those girls say, you see children 12 children for house today. He said, if you see them, oh God, may God bless those children. Mommy, mama, EJSLS, I want to tell you one thing. That cloth where they wear every time go market, change them. ABCD, change them, mama. Because people they laugh, see they laugh person. They say they will see you for market today. That ABCD now you will wear. The other day, ABCD now you go wear. The other day, ABCD. Why you don't change that? Tell us that. It died for Abraham. The prostitution way they do. He take out the feed those small boys. No worry. I will say when they go buy, I will send small money for them. Because they come your house today. Make it call you. Make it call you. Ask and say, who come your house today? You know, say yes. I send person go there. They go know your house. If you don't take and go, I go, your man go dance and say, cry to the whole world. You are human trafficking. May God bless all the Nigerians in the house. May God bless our brothers and sisters. Everybody, I beg. Akobegia don't bite people with their broad hand. And Akobegia must pay. Akobegia must pay. Akobegia cannot stood up and said, yes, these children, he don't want them to grow. When they give road, then our pastor and Wamabe give road to Akobegia and make it grow. God bless you all. I love you. I love all my supporters in the house. I love my brothers and sisters. I beg. All this topic where we talk. Men are spread and make that useless Akobegia. Make it correct itself. If you don't go, Baba, Obaren, Norekete, Wato, Wakbe Baba. On one my la jande. On my la jande Baba. Nowhere. You know, you say, all you cook on, all your table. Or Bono shake by my la jande nowhere. He may eat there in a way. Akobegia, or you get away that way. Uri again and the Kue Papalas. Get to my again, why Akobegia? He, why Oba, a what pay, no, this is my own for you are. A boy, you claim a banner. Baba can another joy. Not time Akobegia will not have me. Or I would agree where I did get enough one day. Akobegia, not be my way do. Not be my way, not super well there. Then I can't wait again. You don't have a about talk by he said. That is my judgment. I have to have a Baba. Always second, a doggy. Baba. When you want to be in one moment, no what? Why you down here? What have you done? We go on away. Osamore Joseph. You know where you say? You know where you say very mana. O ma ele we na asimuya we do de. O ma we nwa. Nwe na nwa ka gbosu. Nwi ite no muri. Ya we ya pe ya ri keke uvuvun. E ya gbeluvun. E ya gbeluvun. No ya so aba. Uvun igbo e. We are tearful, no there. Oh, we're not tearful. We are never, we are we see, no, what? Who got one? A mark part of our faith, or high break on our way, I will tell you what. Yes, you put back, boy. Very manifest on your Hana way. I could make a walk out my way. When I walk, what? Well, memoir, il y a été do ya le konye. Don magelewe amu wawo. Unda ni omoriku. Agogwa. Akobegia, no ya akobenemo fe. Oh, akabama manwa. Where in reality, I buy you where Akabama. How many gifts you don't go give this man? How many houses you don't go build for this man? Huh? You know they sing this man music. You know the singer. Make devil baptize you. Kawaii, eya gbelu fún mi na isa paper. wasi ko vum we uvum make me na me make o wani amebo gbe e bo worry we ni nenu mi nu ayo sota ya ni bekani estali no bi na wa emi no pass no that we do social media president have said it. If anything happen to you and your friend, what is that boy name? Boy name. If anything happen to you, Stanley, nobody and your friend, if anything happen to those of you, then that is this bad man, Akobegia, wishing a get of death. That is the man that do that image. Because he has done it first. As of Okeke is no more today. Akobega was the best friend of Okeke. Akobega is a tortoise. He will go to the family of the girl and said, yes, I've said it before, you all should know. That's Akobega for you. Just to eradicate those families. Just to bring them down. And then I used to contact those boys. Say, men are wrong. As I don't do one. Men I enter that Libya way. You go that place where then those boys still show you. Now go back. Now be you talking that day. Oh, boy, no, you benza. Yajaki. I tell no that, bo. Oh, boy, no, you benza yaki. I tell no. Me, I don't expose you finish. Me, I not just expose you finish. Then they say human being the lost. Human being the lost. Picking the lost. Who they do one? I come back and you get one, you get hand for inside. Speaking the lost. Picking the lost. Now you be the musician for Benin. Oh, so I'm not be the musician. Akababa not be musician. And they use human body. Small picking on the globe for the house. Again. Rituals, full everywhere. Because we say may we close eyes. May we close our eyes, may we close our ear, may we not talk. I go reveal now. All of what they do now. Take time. But you, I don't tell the word now. You are one of them. Rituals. Go carry Ilala. Tomorrow you go still perform for that man hand. That one carry Ilala that day. What happen? Sleep. Carry on. You go still do. You go still say your children not go die. Your wife not go die because that one don't know anything. The first one where you they do. Your that your pekus where they carry they go. It be like I don't know Ukemako. Also don't know you now. You say you be a Akobega. The penis where you carry, it's more like when you bring her come out. You know this my hands. You know so for your, if you dance, see as they make. I say they make. Small thing. Why man go flirt? Now cost everything for your body, now cost. Let me still play another one. Akobega. The problem where they worry you. Next thing they worry that Princess Osunde. That Princess Osunde where her head, as we talk, all the European talk, he says she won't die. And she go see die. But that song, God will bless her. But that success, now as they do something go up, that's why go bad things go follow her. Until he die. Except you go tell that man, say, marry both of them together. Now the same rope, now we take the town now. They'll say actress. He gets some good actress for inside. He gets some bad actress for inside. Bad actress, all of them don't veil themselves out. Maybe they know them. And we go know them. The great Euro people, the great leader of the women, the great women, I beg you now. All these people, when they rebel themselves like animals, now so now they prove them. Go war. How they push them. Person will just come out. They insult you now. Say all of you now. If not talk anything concerning now, all of you now, they will deport you now. Now that man, if he come abroad, now that man will go to prison. Now that man, now they go. When I said that man, I come back here. Now he go prison for abroad. I come back here. I go bring the picture come out. I come back here is a terrorist. He's a terrorist to Germany. He's a terrorist to Italy. He's a terrorist to European government. Terrorist man. Killer. Children know they work out for where they rituals. Don't use Nigeria children. Tell do finish. Small children know they work out where they. I come back here. Your peace swear. All these rituals, what do they do? Now they be musician for Benin. Where better thing not they reach my hand. But with the promote you now, men I go up, but now they use my hand till they bring myself down. You don't see Davido? People think come out, hey, Davido, you go feel singer. Davido don't care. That proof they're still there. Davido go ask that person, why they sing my this thing? Or the twins. Peter and Paul. They'll still come and say, why they sing my this thing? Because they get that many. You call they talk, say those children know they respect you. Those children know they respect you. Because of that one, you want to bring them down. Now your body, now you will bring down. Now your life, I come back and now you will bring down. Your life is still concerning to you, now you will bring down. Because that your words is not pure. This one is there. Women went to their husband's house, when they fuck, they there. Then they worry you so. Woman, they follow you for dance. Your eyes, you go get that nash. The guitar when you call the play, you go come like say in the case. Now make some time, you know they play that guitar again. Now this mic that you just carry. As you they sing, Destiny party. As you they sing, now some mess they follow. Pow, pow. Hey, Destiny, pow, pow. You see, everywhere call the smell, but nobody know what you call that smell. You be evil. Bye.